Imagine working in a conflict-free environment. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if we told you that it's possible with the right tools and techniques? Welcome to the art of conflict resolution. Now, we're not saying conflicts won't happen, they're a natural part of life, especially in the workplace where diverse ideas and personalities collide. However, it's how we handle these conflicts that make all the difference. When left unresolved, they can lead to decreased productivity, low morale, and a tense work environment. But on the flip side, when addressed effectively, these very conflicts can become catalysts for growth, innovation, and stronger team bonds. Intrigued? You should be, because we're about to delve into the secrets of turning workplace conflicts into opportunities for personal and professional growth. So, are you ready to make that dream of a harmonious work environment a reality? Stay tuned to discover the secrets to turning conflicts into growth opportunities. Now, you might be thinking that avoiding conflicts at all costs is the best strategy. But is it really? Missteps in conflict resolution often stem from misconceptions about what it truly entails. Dodging disagreements, for instance, could seem like a peaceful approach. However, this avoidance can lead to unresolved issues simmering under the surface, potentially escalating into larger problems down the line. Another common misstep is leaning too heavily into aggression. While it's important to stand your ground, charging into a conflict without considering the other person's perspective can exacerbate the situation, creating a tense and unproductive environment. And let's not forget the classic, assuming that a one-size-fits-all approach works for every conflict. Each disagreement is unique, with its own set of circumstances and nuances. Attempting to apply a blanket solution without considering these individual factors can lead to ineffective resolution. So if these common methods don't work, what does? Let's delve deeper. It all starts with one key skill: active listening. So what's this all about? Well, it's not just about hearing the words spoken by others, it's about tuning in, truly understanding the thoughts and feelings behind those words. It's an art that, when mastered, can transform conflicts into opportunities for growth. How does one practice active listening? First, show empathy. Put yourself in the other person's shoes, understand their perspective, even if you don't agree with it. Next, ask clarifying questions. Not to challenge, but to comprehend. It's like piecing together a jigsaw puzzle. Each question uncovers another piece, helping to reveal the full picture. Remember, in the heat of a conflict, it's easy to get caught up in our own viewpoint. But by actively listening, we open the door to understanding. And from understanding, solutions can emerge. But active listening is only part of the equation. Let's explore the other half. Now that you've heard the other person out, it's time to communicate your side of the story effectively. You see, the key lies in providing constructive feedback and finding a middle ground. Constructive feedback isn't about pointing fingers, it's about sharing perspectives and finding solutions. Start by using I statements such as I feel or I think instead of you statements. This approach helps to avoid the blame game and keeps the conversation focused on the issue at hand. Also, remember to be specific and clear about what's bothering you. Vague complaints can lead to misunderstandings, so be precise. And lastly, be open to compromise. Compromise doesn't mean losing, it's about finding a solution that works for everyone. It's about forging a path forward that respects everyone's needs and perspectives. By combining active listening with constructive feedback, you'll be well on your way to resolving conflicts effectively. So, are you ready to transform your workplace into a hub of collaboration and mutual respect? We've journeyed through the art of conflict resolution, the common missteps, the power of active listening, and the value of constructive feedback and compromise. Each of these steps is a vital tool in our kit for effective conflict management. Imagine a workplace where disagreements are seen as opportunities for growth, where every voice is heard, and where compromise is the norm. That's the power of effective conflict resolution. It's not just about putting out fires, it's about creating a culture of understanding and respect that prevents those fires from starting in the first place. But remember, these techniques aren't just for the workplace. They're tools you can use in every area of your life to foster better understanding, clearer communication, and stronger relationships. So don't just learn them, live them. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards effective conflict resolution. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights, share your thoughts in the comments, or check out our other content on workplace communication. Together, we can create a more harmonious work environment.